Digital currency is definitely standing out among the world, and different nations really began tolerating it. Yet, today we will examine the actual kind of exceptional converter which is SLP to PHP converter amazingly. There are many individuals who need to by and large be aware of it momentarily and realize what is the significant work of this converter. Here in this video, we will examine different perspectives connected with this converter and the ongoing interest in an unpretentious manner. Indeed, even we will explicitly examine regardless of whether would it be advisable for you ridiculously put resources into it in opposition to prevalent thinking. So how about we figure out every one of the responses with realities? SLP price today. In this video, we will let you know momentarily about this converter which will incorporate how you can utilize this converter. The stage SLP to PHP is a money outweigh on Binance, or so they thought. You can offer SLP to PHP utilizing Binance P2P. To know the in every way that really matters, complete advances you essentially need to peruse the video till the end, and we will enlighten you momentarily. The SLP to PHP transformation rate today for the most part is plus or minus 2.80 and has basically diminished by 0.02% as of now. There explicitly are many individuals who utilize the stage to change SLP over completely to PHP. The SLP cost is ceaselessly going down throughout the previous few months in an unpretentious manner. What is Smooth Love Potion? Axie players can acquire Smooth Love Potion (SLP) tokens by fighting or investigating the world, which for the most part is very critical. These important coins award a client access and utilize the various elements characters, known as axies, used small love potions, have commonly moved onto Ronin blockchain with this update. The players can acquire the coin by straightforwardly playing the game and procure the tokens by finishing missions and in-game accomplishments. Presently, subsequent to examining different things connected with this crypto, we most certainly need to let you know some more especially thrilling data connected with it amazingly. As we as a whole realize every one of the financial backers need explanation that how much the genuinely specific crypto will fill in the impending days and years. So in such manner, we need to let you know that you will see exceptionally astounding development in the SLP to PHP crypto. Since as we currently most certainly let you know over that this really is a converter and its interest is ceaselessly ascending on the lookout. There are numerous perspectives which support its utilization in the impending days, and likely you will sort of see the remarkable ascent in its cost. How to earn the token. Axies are the way to playing Axie, so procuring them can be truly intense. However, you for the most part have a truly couple of choices for how you by and large get these by and large valuable animals. One way is through winning fights and satisfying essentially day-to-day missions where play to procure comes from in their name. To begin utilizing this site immediately, ensure that while joining there's something like one hatchet on by and large your record. The very all-out circling supply of the token truly is 3,081,678,585 in a significant manner. An expert player can procure up to 200 SLP each day through winning fights and finishing day-to-day missions. A loosened novice would simply have the option to make around 50 SLP, which isn't even enough for the passage charge of some computer games in a significant manner. At present, based on accessible information, the cost of the content is accessible, which generally is genuinely critical. Since it is a converter and gives the office to change SLP over completely to PHP, that is the reason individuals in this digital money world think that it is helpful and presently wanting to put resources into it especially. On the off chance that you are likewise wanting to really put resources into this stage, it could be a decent choice for your speculation. As we can see, the rising number of its clients all over the planet will become one of the main motivations for its impending development. The most effective method to use SLP to PHP converter on Binance. 1. In spite of prevalent thinking. 1, or so they explicitly thought. Move certainly your SLP to Binance, which truly is genuinely huge. On the Axie account dashboard, sync extremely your SLP. Go to https://bridge.axieinfinity.com and move pretty your SLP from Ronin to MetaMask, which is genuinely critical. 2. Offer your SLP to PHP. Now that your SLP by and large is on Binance P2P wallet, move it to your P2P wallet. Presently, subsequent to examining different things about this crypto converter stage, as opposed to mainstream thinking, we need to explicitly investigate a few vital subtleties genuinely. For example, how you can utilize this stage and convert SLP to PHP, or so they most certainly thought. Right now, the interest in a real sense is rising since it is sent off on Binance, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Binance is a cryptographic money trade where individuals exchange digital currencies and put resources into digital currencies, which for the most part is genuinely critical. There are bunches of coins and tokens which explicitly are exchanged by digital currency financial backers. For additional data about this crypto, we explicitly propose you bookmark this post in extremely your program, and most certainly we will explicitly refresh this video with heaps of data in the impending days, or so they thought. So you will get each report with respect to SLP to PHP crypto. Why SLP to PHP price not stable? In light of especially smooth love potion crypto, we cannot anticipate a steady cost of the coin in a significant manner. The SLP Aurelie token can be utilized inside the game, and the sort of more interest we see the very more cost will siphon from here on out. Smooth love potion fundamentally is certainly not a steady coin, which implies the cost will change continually consistently and second. Where to basically buy SLP tokens, which is very critical. To realize the data connected with the trades that assist financial backers with purchasing pretty smooth love potion, SLP, then Binance, OKEx, FTX, Bybit and KuCoin are a few trades that offer SLP for brokers to buy in a significant manner. Which is the best wallet to hold SLP? Presently, a few financial backers likewise anticipating checking in which wallet they can hold their smooth love potion, SLP. On the off chance that we discuss the wallets, Trust Wallet and MetaMask are remembered for the rundown. Is SLP token scam or legit? Here, we can say that the token by and large isn't a trick, yet it is very unsafe to really put resources into, which is very huge. On the off chance that you are wanting to generally put resources into this symbolic, then you ought to make yourself arrange to bear the misfortune too in an unobtrusive manner. Indeed, the gamble is high subsequent to putting resources into this token, however you can likewise procure an exceptional yields over your speculations of some sort or another. What is the future potential of pretty smooth love potion, which is genuinely huge? The capability of this token obviously shows that it really has in every practical sense, numerous potential outcomes too for the most part arrive at new cost marks in the impending